Red, black, and white. Hello? Okay, if you just go look and not go say nothing, you could just say bye. Like, for real, you could really just go.
You're a nigger, so shut up.
Bitch, shut up! Hey! What's up, moms and girls of the world? Kenneth here, and I am back for another video. Today's video, I wanted to have a little fun before I get back into my makeup focused content and things like that. I wanted to trickle it in. So I figured I was gonna let strangers finish my makeup routine today. And that's what we doing. Now, there were several ways I could have went about this. I could have just went to like complete strangers out in public, which I probably will do so they can finish my makeup routine. Or I could have just went to somebody else random on social media and just asked them, you know. But I was like, no, I've been seeing these monkey app videos as of late. I've been watching those videos a lot as of late. So let the people of monkey app choose my shit. Now, monkey app is nothing new. It's been around for a little bit now. But it's new to me. It's new to me. It's my first time doing this shit. I'm really about to sit here and let these folk finish my makeup. And this is like the perfect base. Like a base could not get this more perfect. Look at me, girl. Shout out to Tati, Julio Montero. These names I don't know how to pronounce. I'm sorry, Julia. Shout out to Miley Carter, Slater. These are the girls that inspired this particular video. I've been watching their like monkey app videos and them just like really play around with people. And I was like, I want to do this, but I want people to help me finish my makeup. Strangers finish my makeup. That's, I'm gonna title it something like that. We just gonna get into it though. Let me start screen recording. These people are about to finish my makeup. Don't know how I'm about to look. I'm gonna let them choose everything from the colors to if they want shimmer, etc. They probably don't even know all this. So we probably about to really key. If anything, we about to kiki. That's what we about to do. We about to have a good kiki session. If you don't know what a kiki is, if this is your first time watching me, you should know what a kiki is because kiki, I feel like everybody has been making this like normal vocabulary now, like a kiki. A laugh, girl, we about to have a laugh. If this is your first time watching me, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. You can follow me on all social media networks at HeFlawless original, no underscores. And also be sure to give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Just comment down below because they help me out a lot, girl. Engagement, yes, we live for it. Okay. Jack, that's two people. I gotta be eased into this. I can't be in no two people chat. I have to be eased into this, girl. Wow, these two people chat, I want one person. I gotta be eased into this. I can't talk to two people at once because I'm gonna curse somebody out. Who is this? Hello.
You're not a girl. You look like Michael Jackson.
Oh, I've gotten that before. People tell me that I look like, do I really look like Michael?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You look like Michael Jackson. Okay, y'all, so I have to go put on a little bonnet or whatever. I put on a little bonnet because I want to put on a little bonnet. I'm marked as a female on this app or whatever for obvious reasons. I mean, like, why would I mark myself as a boy to go chat to the girls? No, I have the girls choose my stuff out one another day. I want a straight man to choose out which colors and stuff I'm using. And I want to interact with that. We about to interact. I would go into depth and have them choose like a cut crease and stuff like that, but I know these fools don't know nothing about a cut crease, halo eye, glossy eye. They don't know nothing about nothing. So we just gonna have them choose the colors and I'm gonna take their color recommendations and work with it. That's how we go do this, okay? So strangers picking my makeup. It's a screen recording. No, it is not. Let me make sure it's a screen recording. It's screen recording. Okay, let me start video chatting with people. Shaquille from Arizona. Y'all think Shaquille gonna help me out? Let's see if he helped me out. He left. Okay. Hello?
Oh, you look like a dyke for this shit.
I look like a dyke. Oh my gosh.
Nah, you look like a tranny. You look like a dyke.
You are so mad. Get the fuck out of my line then, ho. Oh, y'all, get the fuck. Girl. You don't have to be that rude. Bitch, I want to box one of these bitches. You look like a tranny. You look like a dyke. Hello?
Hello.
Hey. Can you help me out?
Hey. What are you?
Okay, you can go too. Y'all just rude as fuck on this app. I'm gonna use my D-boy. I'm a man. Then, hey!
Holy shit, you scared me.
How did I scare you? What did I do?
You got a lot of makeup on. That sort of scared me.
Oh my gosh, your voice scared me. I didn't know these people on this app was this rude. Somebody gonna get cursed out. Hello? Okay, then you can go. Bye. Go! Shoo! Oh, pasty ass. I've been meditating lately. Hello?
Oh, is it what?
Hello? Can you help me out?
Stop it.
What are y'all doing? How many of it is y'all? Add time. Ooh. He was going, he actually wanted to talk. Hello, Evan. Hi.
Yo.
What y'all doing? What y'all doing?
Yo. Quick time.
Okay, add a time. What's up?
Pardon? Oh, this is lunch. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
Oh, okay, great. No, come on, you're a nigga.
What you tell me?
I said, no, go lie, you a nigga.
Did you just call me a nigga? Huh? Ooh. Ooh. Hello? Are you gonna call me a nigga too? Because the last person just called me a nigga.
And I do it to the end. They tell me what's your dance. And I'm swerving to the left.
You don't want to talk to me. Hello? Can y'all help me out? Y'all on video.
Shit, what do you do?
Can y'all help me out? I need everybody help. All y'all pick a color.
What you talking about?
Okay, I need y'all to help me finish my makeup. I just need y'all to help me choose which colors I'm gonna put on my face today. That's it. He's so polite. I had to shout him out because he's so polite. Wait, y'all said something? Huh? Ooh. I just called him polite. Hello? Hello? Can y'all help me out or not? I'm looking for help. Huh? What it look like? Somebody is none of these people would say any of this if they was in my face. Ooh, hello? Can you help me out? Can y'all help me out? Both of y'all. That's why y'all pixelated. Y'all over there making smart ass comments and y'all pixelated like y'all is. Pixelated. I ain't never gonna get no help. Over there pixelated. I feel like that was a filter. That was a filter, wasn't it? That was a filter. Maybe Daz will help me. Maybe Daz from Pittsburgh will help me. Daz, can you help me out? I need help.
You need help?
Yeah, I need you to help me out with something real quick. All you gotta do is pick a color. What you looking at with this knot on your head looking like that? Looking at me like you crazy with this knot on your head. I just want y'all to help me choose colors. Hello.
Go ahead.
Can y'all help me out? I need your help. I need help. I need your help. Okay, add time. I need your help. Real shit. This ain't no funny shit. I need your help. Okay.
With what?
Thank you for not being rude. Okay. I just need you to choose your 3 favorite colors. That's it. That's it. Just choose 3 colors. That's it.
Black and white.
Pink, black, and white.
Red, black, and white.
Red, black, and white. Y'all gangbang or something, don't y'all? What y'all over there doing? Red, black, and white. Wait. I just need y'all to help me finish my makeup. That's it. Red, black, and white. Those are the colors y'all choosing. Okay. Thank y'all for being polite about it. Thank you. Red, black, and white. He chose red, black, and white. What's up?
Why you looking at me like that?
Huh?
Here, I'll let you see him because he must be stupid.
At time. Corey from Pennsylvania. This is so much fun. Red, black, and white. Hello? Okay, if you just go look and not go say nothing, you could just say bye. Like, for real, you could really just go.
You're a nigga, so shut up.
Bitch, shut the ass! If I get called one more nigga on this app, I don't know if they calling me like a nigga, like as a nigga, like, you know, a boy, or are they calling me like, but this is coming from, hello? Y'all be doing stuff on this app. Maybe D Honcho can help me. I just need somebody to help me. That's it. I just need help. That's all I'm asking for. Somebody to help me out real quick. Hello. And you don't have no voice because you can't talk. Hello. All right. Y'all want to say shit of this to my motherfucking face, so both of y'all shut the fuck up and line it up. Line that shit up, ho. Line that shit up. I should have put a wig on. I bet you if I could get a wig, if I go put a wig on, I promise you I would get a different response. Hello. Can you help me? You mad?
I'll beat the fuck out of you.
Oh, bitch, I'll beat your ass too. Line that shit up. They are so proud. Okay, so first of all, you from Detroit. Shout out to the 313. You know. Second of all, I need your help choosing colors for my makeup today.
Okay.
Can you help me? So what colors? What colors are you gonna use? What's your favorite colors? I got any color. What color do you want to see on my eyelids?
Red.
Red? Red? You like red a lot? Okay, so I'm gonna use red on my eyeshadows because you told me to use red, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna use red. It's nice talking to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What you doing?
Nothing.
Then why I can't see your face?
Cause I was doing stuff.
What stuff you doing?
Stuff.
What kind of stuff?
You didn't see my picture?
No, I didn't see your picture. What kind of stuff you doing?
It was stuff.
What stuff? Tell me what kind of stuff you doing, sir.
Where you use your hand.
Let me see.
Huh?
Let me see you doing this stuff then.
What?
Cause I want to see you doing stuff.
Can I see you do stuff?
If I see you doing stuff, maybe.
You lying.
I'm not lying. You the one capping.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Stop capping. What you doing? Show me what you're doing. Oh, wow. You just on here doing that all day.
Well, I just got on here.
Oh, okay. So you just trying to get you a little nut in.
Uh-huh.
Well, get your nut in, sir. I ain't mad at you.
You should too.
I don't know about all that. I'm trying to do my makeup.
Okay.
You know what? I gotta go. I can't do this. I can't.
Wait. No. Wait.
What?
Okay, I'll watch you do your makeup. I'm sorry.
No, I really can hang up because I don't want to be part of none of that energy when you finally come.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. How old are you?
19.
Oh, okay. Show your face. Why you not showing your face? Because what? You think I want to see you come in if you're trying to come?
I wanted to see you do it too.
You want to see me do what?
But I think you scared.
I'm not scared. I'm just in a relationship. I'm not.
So whoever it is, they ain't gotta know.
He gonna know.
How you gonna know?
Cause he gonna know. We connected like that. We feel each other.
Yes.
I can't believe this. He really just showed me his whole dick, bitch. Wow! They do all that on this app? Okay, so we got red. That's a common color. I need one more color. Hello? Can you help me?
What's good?
Hey! Can you help me out? One more time.
What's up? All right.
Okay, so I need your help. I'm doing my makeup, right? Clearly. I need your help choosing colors though, because I don't know what colors to put on my eyelids today. Like, what's your favorite color?
Okay, I suck at doing makeup, but I'll help you.
Just tell me what color to do.
Okay, well, what are my options?
Well, I have every color, and like you can choose whatever color.
Okay, do you know how to do like that little fading stuff where it like starts off real light and then it gets dark and dark?
Yeah, like a smoky eye.
Yeah, okay, there. You should do like orange to red.
Orange to red. I like that. Okay, orange to red. Orange to red. I'm gonna do orange to red.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Orange to red.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got you.
See, I got orange to red right here. I'm gonna use orange to red.
Yeah, you got the whole palette, huh?
I got everything you me. I got stuff. Yes.
Okay.
But people on here be being rude or whatever. Like the last dude, he was just trying to jerk off of me, and I was like, I don't like all of this.
Yeah.
I was just like, I just need somebody to help me choose colors. That was it. So thank you.
Yo, I got you. You pop it.
Thank you. You pop it too.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Stay blessed. She's back. Hi. So I went ahead and did the eyes or whatever. I did the eyes and they came out really, really nice. Everybody was choosing red, orange, and brown. That one person was choosing brown for some reason. So this is what I came up with. Okay, girl, just a simple little, you know, a little simple little eye, a little simple something. Really cute, right? I went ahead and did highlight and bronzer and all those good things too. Also because I don't, these straight dudes, they don't know nothing about that. So when we get to the females on the Monkey app, the females will help me do like a full face routine. The guys just helping me choose colors, girl, because they don't know nothing more than just colors, girl, okay? They don't know nothing more than colors. So we go choose colors. I also went in through on a little unit or whatever for my friend Nina. I went in through on this unit. If the lace isn't perfect, it's because it's not secure or nothing like that. I just literally threw it on to make sure it looked good on camera. Y'all might see lace over here. I wanted to have a little bit more fun with these guys of Monkey app, okay? I want to have a little bit more fun, spice it up just a little bit. So I'm about to go and let somebody choose a lip color for me. I'm gonna get 3 different colors, whichever color is the most common or whichever color out of the 3 colors that these people choose as a color that we will be rocking on the lips for this look today, okay? Move over to the left. I'm move over to the left today. Y'all can go watch those videos if you missed those videos, and then also subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel yet. If you made it this far, you watched this whole video without subscribing, you should get socked in the throat. But anyways, you guys, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. As always, stay flawless.